Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. Hope all are safe and doing great. Friends, today I brought for you simple but classy, beautiful, light come contrasted color sarees for you, which is, if I talk about this fabric, which is lightweight, light carry to weight, and all season it's very fast moving fabric, which is chiffon fabric, which is plain come matte border look sarees, which comes in the rapier and silk segment. This collections, if I talk about the factory price, which is around 700 to 730 rupees. To know the actual prices, keep watching this video and take a screenshot. You can contact our online team and you can do online purchase quickly, because these collections are heavy demanded and fast moving. Subscribe the channel. First, I want to share the color which is I'm wearing, the dark maroon color or the wine maroon color I can say, which is very pretty of the matte border chiffon fabric sarees. So in this colors I have a light colors also, some dark colors also. So subscribe the channel and quickly we'll see the collections. I want to show you the sarees. First I'll start with the rose milk color, very pretty of the rose milk color. Hope you all enjoyed the rose milk, which is very chill, cold coffee like, which is a rose milk, very pretty color like baby pink, or I can say exactly the rose milk color. South, which is very demanded, silky star silk collections. In this you have a marble chiffon base, the crush fabric, which is a matte look. This is a very pretty, and you have only the thread tassels. In this you have a same code, I can say the same code, silky star silk. If I talk about the next color, which is parrot green, exactly the parrot green, okay, the parrot green with the golden, which is a floral based, the matte weaving work. You can see the mild weaving work, silky star with blouse, 630 meters it is given here. This is also one of the pattern. If I talk about the next color, which is peach color combination, very pretty, very beautiful color combination. This is also one of the pattern over here, peach color. According to the peach, the border you can see, some borders are same, some borders are unique also, you can find it. These are all the three colors which I have showed you. Now I want to show you the box varieties. If I talk about the box varieties, the box which comes in the beige color with the beautiful bird printed in this packing. You can also have a margin in different you can add the margins. You can also find the selling price in your location. Based on your location, the price differs. The code is, I want to show you the code, which is Rashmi is the code, very pretty, the dark color, dark green color. And this also you can see the different border. Okay, this is one of the pattern. This comes this. The saree is, the entire saree is only plain. The border come plain is very unique, very simple but fast moving at the same time. Very beautiful saree. So these all varieties. In South it goes always the demanded collections. Rashmi is the code. If I talk about the next color, which is yellow, this is one of the pattern, silky star. So very pretty. In this also you can see the fancy tassels. Very beautiful. Okay. Rashmi is the code. So this comes the exact color. You have every individual photo, the photocopy also, and the good packing also. So all the colors you will get a individual boxes. The next color, which is red, or with red I can say. So red or pink, dark pink. This is one of the color combination. So which all these collections are used for the festival based, traditional based, get together, family function based. This is also one of the product, very pretty. In this you have a beautiful colors options. In this Rashmi, all these collections, every pattern you have this boxes. I'll show you the next color, the box variety, bottle green color. The heavy beautiful dark bottle green, it looks very pretty when we wear. Every saree is having a different look and beautiful. Depend on the skin tone, we can have all the colors, the options in our manufacturers. Manufacturers are supporting the resellers, dealers based on the customer requirement, based on the state requirement, based on the state taste varieties also. These kind of collections you can purchase, and these collections are always demanded and fast moving. And these collections are having a different look and expectations in South actually. So one color which is I showed you, as I said, like wine maroon color. So this is also one of the pattern. Hope you enjoyed these collections. To know the actual prices, take a screenshot. The numbers are scrolling on the screen. You can call our online team. No need to worry about language barrier or coordination based on your language and city. There is a team, back-end team to support you and to guide you. Quality, no doubt. Quantity, no doubt. You can also mix and purchase all these collections. If you want to start boutique or you're into boutique, you can also add these varieties. So chiffon lightweight sarees which I've showed you, plain come border, quickly to make your customers happy. Order these collections, subscribe the channel, let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me. There's a bell icon, just click it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to have a clothing business information and product information. You can follow the channel. So next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye friends.